Hello friends, well here we'll see how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So here we'll go, first open the Snapchat account app. So once you do that, straight away you can go to this leftmost topmost corner of your app to go to your profile. So once you go here you can see this page will open up. So just go down here, that is public profiles, and here you can see create public profile. So if I press it, it has taken me to this page where it is showing me show your name. Any snaps you send to Spotlight or SnapMap will now show your name. Anyone who views the snaps or your lenses will be able to subscribe to your account. Okay, fine. And next is build your public profile. Add collection of your snaps from Spotlight, SnapMap or camera roll to help Snapchatters learn more about you. Fine. So I press on get started, and it will ask me to create public profile. By creating a public profile, you will show your name on any snaps you have ever posted to Spotlight or SnapMap. Any lenses you have made and marked as searchable will also appear on your public profile. You can edit or delete your public profile at any time. Okay, create. When I press create my public profile, I'll just press my public profile. So this is my public profile. It will ask you to add a cover photo, and you can edit your profile. You can preview a profile as well. So save a story to a profile. Save your best snaps on your public profile for as long as you would like. Okay, and for example, if I just preview my profile, let's see what is coming. So this kind of page will come. So here it will show my details, and I can go on like this. So there will be a subscribe button which will be coming for others if I create my public profile. I just go back. So friends, I hope you saw how to create a public profile. I think it has already been created. It won't come again. Just to recap this, go to your profile button here and go to straight to profile tab over here. I think it has already been made. So here there will be something called create public profile, and click on that to create one. To access your public profile, you can go to this my public profile, and once you click, you will be landing here at your public profile. You can either edit your profile by tapping to add your bio, location, public profile information, preview, and your photos as well. All these things you can create, and you can also choose whether you want to show subscriber count. So friends, keep watching Infotainment. We'll be coming up with more of such videos. Please do subscribe to this channel as well, and please don't forget to like this video if you found this video useful. So see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.